you guys, today we are unpacking this from Dior. If you are buying anything from Dior, I would recommend you go to their website because you get so much more exciting packages compared to if you're shopping at Sephora. So let's see, what did we get? So first off is the Dior Show 5 colors. Dior is on point with their branding. And let's have a look inside. This is so exciting. They have their 2 brushes, which I'm taking out. They are just in the way. And here are the colors. This is the Dior Show number 671. It's a Coral Couture. Next one, we have the Dior Show Stylo. So this is the Dior Show Stylo. This is an eyeliner in the color black. Then we have Forever Skin Glow. There's one in the shade 15 Neutral, 15N. And I don't know if you can see it, my name engraved in the product. Isn't that cute? I like that. Thank you, Dior. By the way, this is not a PR box from Dior. I ordered this myself. So, just to make that clear. So then we have the Forever Skin Corrector. This is in the shade 1N. Then we have the Dior Addict Shine Lipstick in the color of Peony Pink. Yes, and this is the one. You see it? And you got to choose the case for your lipstick. And that is so cool, I think. So you just put your refill inside. And you have this really pretty lipstick.